Hello students, I'm going to explain you about the conditional probability, which is very important concept in the practical scenario when we see. It's a very important concept because sometimes we may have to wait for one event to proceed for the another event. That time we will be using the concept of conditional probability. Um, Right. So I'll go with this conditional probability. So conditional probability is nothing but, for example, if I have taken probability of A pipelined with B or A by B, that means I'm finding out the probability of A given already B. That is, already B has occurred. B event has already occurred, then I'm finding the probability of A. So that is called as conditional probability. For example, one small example I'll tell you. Like some or the other transport means you people will be using to come to the college. So that is like daily you do that. And so I can say that once you use the transport means, any of the transport means you might use. um, so for example, I'm finding out, if I consider, hmm, so if I consider the event A, that is probability of reaching to the college, probability of a student reaching to the college. So how the means. Now we will check out the means by which the student might come to the college. For example, the student might come on some any condition, like come on his or own his or her own bike, and the students might come on, um, for example, by college bus. Then the student might also come by RTC bus. So just I'm taking only 3 examples. Any number of examples can be taken. Any number of conditions can be taken. Now I want to find out by any means the student might have come. B1, that is he or she might have come on bike. He or she might have come by the college bus or the RTC bus. So after they come, okay, after they come by using these transports, only then I can find out if I'm given with B1 or B2 or B3, right? If I'm given with B1, B2 or B3, then only I'll be able to find out the probability of A. That is like this, probability of means B1 might be given, or B2 might be given, or B3 might be given. So I can find out the probability of A after B1 has occurred, or B2 has occurred, or B3 has occurred, depending upon their own means of transport. So depending upon that, I'll be finding out the probability of A. Probability of A is nothing but probability of a student reaching to the college. In this way we can understand what is a conditional probability. That is, even I can give, for example, I have in the electronic circuit, if we consider if after rigging up of all the circuit, okay, for example, it might be, I can use CE amplifier or CB amplifier or CC amplifier. After using any of the circuit, I means after configuring this circuit on the breadboard or using the printed circuit board, ready printed circuit board of common emitter amplifier or common base amplifier or common collector amplifier, I'll be able to amplify the signal. So amplification of the signal will occur after rigging up of the circuit. So it depends upon like condition. Some condition is there. Some other event should happen. After that only my event will happen. Like this we'll be seeing the, like we'll be calling the conditional probability. So, for example, how to define this? How to write the definition for this? Now, I'm finding the probability of A given B. This I'll be writing it as probability of A and B divided by probability of B. This is the formula to find out the conditional probability. So, probability of A and B divided by probability of B. In the same way, probability of B by A, we will be writing it as probability of A and B divided by probability of A. Like this, we will be writing the conditional probability, right? So, we can just find out from this what is probability of A and B. So, it will be nothing but probability of A by B into probability of B, or probability of B by A into probability of A. Anyways, we can write it. Okay. Um, so this is about the conditional probability. Now we should, yeah. So we have defined the conditional probability. Now I want you all to think about the examples of the conditional probability. Some examples, you can quote any number of examples. Okay, just think about the examples of the conditional probability. Just think and write it down in your books. So what are the examples of the conditional probability? Means any, like you can take any engineering example, like circuits, or any engineering examples you can take, or any natural examples which are occurring. Means after some condition, I'll be able to find out the given probability. Like that, any condition you can just um, write down. So this helps you to understand the conditional probability in a better way. Yes. Hope you all have written different examples of the conditional probability. Now we'll take up a problem uh, regarding this conditional probability. Just see what is the problem given. I'll be solving it and you'll understand the conditional probability in a better manner. So, a bag consists of 2 green and 3 black balls. A sample of size 4 is made. Okay, so sample means like it is consisting sample size which we are going to make, that is consisting of 4 balls. What is the probability that the sample space is in the order? So already they are giving B1 first it should come, and second should be green ball, third should be black ball, and fourth should be um, green ball again. So we should find out the probability of B1, G2, B3, G4. First individual probabilities I'll find out, so that we will apply that in the formula and find out the total probability. Right. So can you probability of choosing the first ball as black ball. So first ball, how many total balls are there? 5 balls are there, right? 2 green balls and 3 black balls. In that first ball is black ball. So how many black balls are there? 3 black balls are there. So I'll, from the 3 black balls, I'll be choosing um, right. So among the total 5 balls, I have to write 3 black balls are there. So total balls are 5. So probability of choosing first as black ball will be, means I have to choose only black ball. So 3 by 5. So probability of choosing the black ball will be 3 by 5. And probability of choosing the next, what they have given, second ball should be green color ball. So just as G2 I'll write. So second ball is green color. How many green color balls are there? So it is 2. Now how many balls are left out? Because first already one ball is chosen. So among 5 balls, one ball is already chosen. So I'll be left out with only 4 balls. So I'll be telling G2 as 2 by 4. And probability of third ball, I'll choose that as black ball again. So how many black balls are left out now? Already one black ball is chosen in the first place. So now only 2 black balls are left. See, already 2 balls are over. 2 balls choice is over. So among 5 balls, 2 balls is over. So 2 by 3. Like this you should calculate. So probability of fourth ball I am taking is green ball. So green ball, how many green balls are left? Already one green ball is chosen. So only one green ball is left. Now how many total balls are left? 5 balls, 3 balls are already chosen. So 2 balls are left. So 1 by 2. Like this we will be finding out the probability of B1, probability of G2, probability of B3, probability of G4. Right? So now what we want to find out is total probability of B1, uh, G2, means first should be B1, second should be G2, third should be B3, fourth should be G4. Right? First one. First one, how we will find out? Just see here. I want the probability of B1. Okay. Already G2, like next probability is what? Probability of B1 we have found out. Next probability is what? G2 I want. Already B1 is chosen there. Okay. And next probability is what? B3. B3, I am finding the probability of B3. Already B1 and G2 are chosen. B1 and G2 are chosen. And next I'll find out the probability of G4. Okay. Right. G4. Already B1 is chosen. Um, G2 is chosen. B3 is chosen. Like this, we should find out the total conditional probability. So, just remember, we should like to find out the conditional probability, we should use means like this method. Means already something is given and by that we are choosing. Right. Thank you.